Hey, Lindsay.
Hey there.
What do I need to know as a beginner selling on Amazon?
Well, if you're beginning your journey of selling on Amazon, congratulations on this next chapter. Selling on Amazon can give you access to customers in over 100 countries and the trust and credibility of Amazon. High level, the best things to do as a beginner selling with Amazon is to start by creating a great shopping experience for customers. Creating great product detail pages and brand stores that help customers get familiar with your products are examples. I recommend testing other programs to see what's right for your business goals. There are many ways to reach customers on Amazon, such as sponsored products, ads, and FBA. Additionally, be open to learning about how Amazon's seasonal events work. For example, you may not be used to preparing for selling during Amazon's Prime Day, such as timelines to sell inventory if you're using FBA, or monitoring your deal recommendations. So I encourage everyone to try everything, optimize as you go, and then learn from your results.